In today's video, we are going to cover how to add a discount to an invoice in Wave. Begin by logging in to your Wave account. Enter your account credentials, then wait for the dashboard to load. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand menu where Wave groups the main areas of your account. From that menu, click Sales and Payments, then select Invoices. This opens the Invoice area where you can manage drafts, send invoices, and create new ones. If you already have an invoice started, find the draft you want to update and open it. If you are creating one from the beginning, choose the option to make a new invoice and continue into the invoice editor. With the invoice open, add your customer information if it is not already filled in. Select the correct customer from your list or enter the customer details required for the invoice. Then move to the invoice item section and add the products or services you need to bill for. As you enter each line item, Wave updates the subtotal based on the quantity and price you provide. Make sure the items and amounts are correct before adding the discount, since the final total will be based on what is already on the invoice. After the customer and items are in place, scroll down toward the bottom of the invoice. In that lower section, look for the option labeled Add Discount. Click it to open the discount field. This is where Wave allows you to reduce the invoice total either by entering a fixed amount or by using a percentage. Enter the discount in the format that matches what you need for that invoice. If you want to deduct a specific dollar amount, type in that amount. If the discount is based on a percentage, enter the percentage instead. Pay attention to the value you enter so the invoice reflects the intended reduction. Once the discount is added, Wave recalculates the invoice total automatically. Take a moment to review the updated total on the invoice. This is the point where you confirm that the discount has been applied correctly and that the balance now matches what you want to charge the customer. If the total does not look right, check the invoice items and the discount entry before moving forward. When everything looks correct, click Save if you want to keep the invoice as a draft with the discount applied, or click Send if the invoice is ready to go to the customer. Either option applies the discount to that invoice, with Save keeping it in your records and Send moving it out to the recipient. Your Wave invoice now includes the discount and the updated total has been applied.